Hello developers, I hope you are practicing your Python skills. In the previous video we learned about for while loop. So let's firm up our understanding on while loop by doing a mini project. The task is to print a multiplication table that we learned when we are second third graders up to level 10, and we'll ask your prompt user to input a number, then we can print the table for that on the screen. Okay, why wait, let's head over to our VS Code. All right, so let me create one file. I hope you can see my screen. We'll call it as tables.py. Okay, let me close that file explorer, and then here the task is print a multiplication for a given number. Okay, so you are already expert, I believe, like you know how to read a number. So it's a table and call it as int, because we need to convert to the string input and integer, and the prompt is input, display the prompt, enter a number. Okay, then what we do is we initialize the counter. Okay, I call it as I. Usually for counters we use I, J, K. It's a convention, it's not a hard rule. So while I is less than equal to 10, okay, then don't forget to bump it up. So I will just say by plus equal to 1, then the goal is to print the table. So print, use format strings f, then what we do is we string interpolate. Okay, the way we do is we write this braces as a table. Okay, display x symbol, then display counter, that's I, and then we display the product of table times I. So table into I. Okay, save it and then run it. So it is asking the number, give 5. Now you can see, let me create, make this screen bigger. Okay, run it again. It is asking a number. Let's give 7 this time. There you go, 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 7. How about we increase the level until 20? Why not? Just change the condition here, say 20, and then rerun again. Rerun again. This time 9. There you go. 9 times 1, 9 times blah blah blah, all the way to 9 times 20, 180. Okay. Until next time, keep practicing. Bye for now.